Visit eservices.nsdl.com, then Speede, New Registration. Select Create Account as Password User. To avoid having to repeat all the steps, please make sure to enter unique user ID. You will only be notified at the end if the user ID already exists. Enter your personal details. Enter the details of DP from where you want to transfer your equity shares. Next, you need to enter CMBP ID of DP where you want to transfer to. You can either Google CMBP ID of your DP or contact their support team. In our case, it's with ShareCon, and its CMDP ID was available on Google. Click Submit. On the next page, you can view all the information. You will see that the CMBP ID was correct, as it correctly identified ShareCon as DP. Click Submit again. You can download the forms and submit them to your DP, or use their forms as well. Your DP will need to authorize the addition of an outward DP, ShareCon in this case. Only then will you be able to log in here and initiate the transfer through your DP slips. If we added any value, don't forget to like and subscribe.